This house is coming up to its 100-year mark from when it was built here in the center of campus, and I believe that a renovation would truly concrete our presence here in the center of Knox College.
In terms of bettering our Knox experience, it'll help with recruiting and brotherhood and keeping us more as a family.
That would just make everyone tighter because they're all living in the same house together. And having a better house would also encourage the actives to live there, and it would mean a lot.
And the continuation of a legacy of enduring all general excellence and good qualities of people, it would mean the continuation of these things and the cementing of a legacy that this house has already had on this campus.